Hey there, it's Anthony-doty, and today we're diving into something incredibly personal, your budget. If you've ever felt like traditional budgets just don't fit your unique financial situation, it's time to try the custom budget method. This approach is all about creating a budget tailored to your specific needs and goals. So, how does it work? First, take a close look at your income, expenses, and what you want to achieve financially. This means understanding every dollar that comes in and goes out. Whether you're saving for a home, paying off debt, or just trying to make ends meet, your budget should reflect these priorities. It's important to set clear, achievable goals and track your progress regularly. The beauty of the custom budget method is its flexibility. You can adjust it as your financial situation changes, ensuring it always meets your needs. This method empowers you to take control of your finances and work towards your dreams with confidence. You can create categories that matter to you, like that emergency fund, travel savings, or even a side hustle fund. But let's be real, this method does require effort. It's not something you can just set up once and forget about. It's not just a set it and forget it kind of deal. You need to be actively involved in managing your finances. You need to regularly check in, see where you're at, and make adjustments as life happens. This means keeping an eye on your spending, tracking your income, and making sure it can be overwhelming. But trust me, the control and peace of mind it brings are worth it. Knowing exactly where your money is going and having a plan for your financial future can be incredibly empowering. This method is perfect for anyone with a unique financial situation, like freelancers, entrepreneurs, or those with irregular incomes. It's also great if you have specific goals, whether that's saving for a big purchase or preparing for retirement. The key is to stay flexible and adjust your plan as your life and goals evolve. So, are you ready to take control of your finances your way? Imagine the freedom and peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly where your money is going and how it's working for you. Start with the custom budget method today. It's designed to fit your unique lifestyle and financial goals, making budgeting easier and more effective than ever before. Subscribe for more tips and visit our website for a free consultation. Our experts are here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring you make the most